Ford Explorer General 6. Stop lamp bulb replacement. First, you may need to remove the trim panel, although this step might not be necessary. To access the screw securing the rear lamp to the vehicle body, it's often enough to slightly pull the trim panel aside. Follow these steps to remove the rear lamp and replace the ball. So, 1. Using a non-marring tool, carefully remove the rear lamp assembly side trim cover. To prevent damage to the plastic, use an interior trim remover designed for this purpose. 2. Remove the screw, as shown in the illustration. 3. Gently disconnect the electrical connector attached to the rear lamp assembly to ensure a safe and proper removal process. 4. Using a non-marring tool, carefully release the rear lamp assembly retainer pin by pushing it outward. Once the pin is disengaged, gently pull the rear lamp assembly straight out and away from the vehicle, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. 5. Detach the rubber grommet and remove the rear lamp assembly. 6. Turn the bulb holder counterclockwise and remove it. Remove the bulb by pulling it straight out. To install the rear lamp assembly, follow the removal steps in reverse order, ensuring all connectors and components are securely reattached. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, consider supporting our channel by becoming a sponsor. Feel free to share any difficulties you faced in the comments and let us know if you were able to fix the problem yourself.